Here we are again with another unboxing. Someone from in the US sent me a box. A part of it was a deal and a part of it was something I bought in the US because I couldn't buy it over here, and he was so kind to send all this stuff over to me in Belgium. We are talking 2 sets of tires. First one is fossils from Duratrax fossils, which I wanted from for a long time, and this is the deal I got in exchange for something else. Set 1 and set 2 is JConcepts, and we are talking about the rock blocks, which are hard to find here in Belgium or in Europe for that matter, but in the US you can find them. So we have these 2 sets now on the bench, and we will make inserts for them and do videos on them. So yeah, it was Vince from over in the States. He might be better known by a lot of people as Crowder Live on YouTube, or in the chat from some YouTube live streams. But yeah, these are the tires we have over here. So thank you, Vince, for this one. And yeah, there will be videos coming up for the JConcept rock blocks and for the Duratrax fossils. So really excited about this one. Just a heads up what's on the bench in the next weeks to come. 2 sets of tires to test. Thank you all and see you later.